Up in the Gaza Strip, in an area where they pretty much have cleared out the Hamas terrorists, there's still these underground tunnels where they pop up every once in a while. There's 4 IDF soldiers that take a sit down and they have an opportunity to take a break. So they're sitting around and they decide to clean their weapons. They pull the clips out and they want to get the dirt out of their weapon, make sure the weapon will fire correctly and all that. You know what happens when you get a weapon on your lap and you pull the clip out and you forget there's a round in the chamber. And sure enough, this IDF soldier forgot there's a round in the chamber. He sets the gun off. He fires the gun. Now, thank goodness the round did not fly out and hit one of his guys that was there with him. Instead, it flew off at that moment and nailed Hamas terrorists that had just popped up with an RPG, was going to kill all 4 of them. And the misfire on the gun took out the Hamas terrorists. They are saying basically the odds of this are something like 1 in 400,000 million, whatever. But I don't think it was coincidence. I think maybe the God of Israel knows what's going on in Gaza, and I think he's involved with the IDF soldiers.